This is topic G, controlling plant growth. This is pretty short and sweet, so it shouldn't take long at all, this one. What we're looking at is how plants respond to change. Now, the way that plants respond to change is because of their hormones. Same as in people, hormones is what causes their changes. It's responsible for the fact that the shoots grow towards the light, the fact that roots grow down. It controls when plants grow flowers and when the fruits ripen. So the hormones do quite a lot, really. So, as I said, plants respond to changes. One of the changes that they respond to is where the light is. So, when they do this, we call it a tropism. And because they're responding to light, it's a phototropism. So the fact that the shoots grow towards the light was called a positive phototropism. And the fact that the roots grow away from the light is a negative phototropism. So positive, they go towards it. Negative, they move away from it. And photo, you can remember hopefully because photo means light. And it's the tropism because they're responding to the stimulus. Now, the reason they do this is because of a hormone called auxin. Now, auxin is just a hormone. It's just one you find in plants, and it travels in solution through the plant. And where the auxin gathers is where the plant starts to grow. So in the first example here, we can see that the light is shining directly onto the tip of the plant, so that's where the auxin gathers, and it just grows straight up. Now, if the light source is at a side, like it is here, the auxin will move to the opposite side. It will move away from the light. It collects on this side, which makes this side of the plant grow more. So it grows longer on this side, which causes it to bend over so that the top is once again pointed towards the light. So this is why if you put a plant in a room, it will always grow towards the window, because that will be where most of the light will come from for most of the day, which is also a way you can test that this is true. Now, the other type of tropism is geotropism, and in this one, the shoots grow away from gravity. So geo implying gravity here. So that would be a negative geotropism for the shoots, but the roots grow towards the source of gravity, so they grow down. So we call that positive geotropism. So again, the positive and negative tells you if it's going towards or away from. Then you just have to think, what was the name of the tropism? Geo, because it's the ground, so they go towards the ground. With the light, it's photo, so they go towards or away from the light. So, if we know that it's hormones that cause these changes in plants, then we can use them in agriculture to help control what's going on. So, farmers can change the rate of growth of fruit by using hormones. They can use them to kill weeds, because what they do is they spray the auxin, the thing that makes them grow, on the weeds, and they grow so fast that they die. If I take cuttings from a plant, I can put some hormones on the bottom of it that encourage the roots to grow down so that it grows when I move it. And I can use it to ripen my fruits when I want them ripe. So I can pick my fruits before they're quite ripe, transport them, then apply the hormone, and they'll be ripe and ready to eat when I want them to be. So this is how we can use the hormones to our advantage. And that is it for this topic. As I said, pretty short and sweet.